Okay. Let's just have a look. Come on now. Just need to get the light sorted on there. Okay, yeah, nice. Too bright. One sec. Okay, cool. And then do that, but have a leg over. I don't know why. Just sometimes it just makes a nice crop. Yeah, perfect. Pull the jacket across slightly. That's it. Awesome. Yeah, it's cool. And then I'm just going to move around here. And then I'll do some landscape shots. I think about YouTube. Okay. It's the same kind of thing. That's it. Perfect. Oh right, I was going to say, actually, do you like... It's alright. Move a tiny bit across, that's it. Let's have a look. Okay. I reckon come forward actually, just so you're out of the sun, that's it. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Yeah, nice. And then, can I just move that out of the way just for a second? It's cool, and then let's get you dusted back. Yeah, that's cool. Just flip your hair back a tiny bit, that's it.